Welcome to Touch to Click. In this video, I'll show you the 7 best free zip and unzip programs for Windows to easily compress and extract files on your computer. Now let's get started. Number 1. Download and install 7-Zip on your Windows computer because it is a lightweight and powerful tool for compressing and extracting files. After installation, simply right-click any file or folder to see the 7-Zip options in the context menu. Number 2, download and install PZIP. Then open the program to access its clean interface for archive management. Choose any file or folder and click Extract or Create Archive to compress or unpack files easily. This tool is useful because it supports many file formats and adds extra security features. Number 3, open your web browser and go to a trusted Unzip online website if you do not want to install software. Upload your zip file to the site and download the extracted contents directly to your computer. This method is helpful for quick tasks when you are using a shared or limited system. Number 4, download and install JZIP. Then launch it to access its simple file compression features. Select your archive file and choose Extract to open it or Create Zip to compress new files. It is important because it provides an easy option for beginners who want a straightforward tool. Number 5, download and install CAM Unzip and open the software to manage your compressed files. Select the zip file you want and click Extract to access the contents or create a new zip archive. This program is useful for basic tasks and works well on most Windows systems. Step 6. Download and install ZIPG, a program known for previewing archive contents before extraction. Open your archive inside the program. View the files to confirm what you need, then extract selected items, which helps avoid unnecessary file extraction and saves time. Number 7. Download and install ZipGenius, open the program, and choose Create or Extract Archive from its main menu. Follow the on-screen options to compress files or unpack existing archives safely. This tool is helpful because it offers advanced features while still being free to use. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to Touch to Click for more helpful videos.